Morning, another beautiful morning in Smokies. Kind of a chilly start to the day, but I'm gonna do the Boogerman loop coming down on Caldwell Fork. It's gonna be quite an adventurous day. There's apparently up to 11 non-bridge stream crossings that we're gonna wade through today. Everything I'm reading could be anywhere between ankle, knee, and high water conditions, even up to waist deep, but it hasn't rained in quite a while, so it's probably nothing waist deep, but a nice chilly start to the day. I think it was, 38 we got out of the truck, but yeah, it's supposed to warm up to 71, so hopefully that works out, because if not, it'll be a chilly day of stream crossings. But anyways, let's get it started. Alright, first trailhead marker of the day. We'll be taking a left here, taking the Boogerman Trail. 3.8 miles on Boogerman before we head back down Caldwell Fork. We're doing the loop in reverse of their recommendations. We want to leave the water crossings towards the end of the day, and not start on Caldwell and get wet and have to walk down Boogerman all wet. So real steep section on Boogerman here, trying to kill us. Short little section, but steep. Whew. Beautiful pocket of color here. So I know we've said it before, but I know we're really hoping to see a bear, but it is absolutely crazy how loud squirrels are in these recently fallen leaves. So many times this trip, we're like, okay, that's got to be a bear this time, and stupid squirrels. And there really is still a ton of color through this section of Boogerman. All right, ready for the fun part. We'll start all the water crossings on Caldwell. We got our poles out. Amber's got her poles out. Convertible pants. She's got her capris on now. We're ready to rock. See what we're getting ourselves into. All right, coming up on stream crossing number 2. So we're finally have to get wet. Awesome. I'm not gonna lie, that's really fun. That's just the first significant one. We saw another hiker a little bit ago, and he said there's around 8 of them where you gotta actually get in there like that. It is a lot of fun. Feet are freezing, but it's a nice little contrast because it's nice and warm outside now. So this is awesome. She made it. Good job, babe. quick little trail recap. Did 8.1 miles today. Did the Boogerman loop. Ended up tacking another 0.4 down and back, so 0.8 extra miles on Caldwell Fork to finish that up for our maps. Absolutely beautiful day. The color was still popping in sections on Boogerman. Pretty cool trail, but wow, those water crossings on Caldwell, like I don't think I've ever had more fun hiking in my life. So yeah, if you do it, bring trekking poles, bring water shoes, or at least what we have is some trail runners and some merino wool socks. Yeah, definitely slippery, you know, on those rocks. Those trekking poles helped us out quite a few times. But fantastic day, it was incredible. What do you think?
Everything you just said.
Everything I said.
Yeah.
Summed it up good. Thanks for watching, and see you guys next time.